Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this miracle oil that saved my hair from falling out. My first ingredient is lavender. Lavender has some amazing ingredients that helps in keeping your hair healthy. And the second ingredient here is clove. I'm sure you must have heard about the great benefits of clove when it comes to hair growth. And my third ingredient here is shea powder. I have here 1 teaspoon of shea powder, and this is another amazing ingredient for hair growth. Then lastly, I'm going to be using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, as my base oil to make this miracle oil. And here I have my blender. I'm going to go ahead and combine my ingredients here inside my blender. And once I'm done combining the 3 ingredients together, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my olive oil. And then I'm going to be using this oil to blend the 3 ingredients together instead of using water. You can also use oil to blend. So I'm going to just go ahead and use my oil to blend. And once I'm done blending it, as you can see here is well mixed. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in a pan and place it on low flame on the stove, and then I'll heat it up for a few minutes. After a few minutes of leaving it on the stove, I'm going to take it down, and then I'll wait for it to cool off for some minutes. Then I'll go ahead and strain it using my straining cloth. So this is how my oil looks like once I'm done straining it. The next thing I'm going to do is to transfer it into this clean jar, from where I'll be applying it directly to my hair from this jar. So now that I've transferred it into the jar, I'm going to show you guys how I apply this oil to my scalp. I normally use this for pre-poo. I apply it to my scalp, my entire scalp, and the tip of my hair, just like I'm doing now. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going to massage it really well into my hair and my scalp, and then I'll cover it up with a plastic bag or a heating bag. I normally leave it on for like an hour or 2 before I wash my hair. You can also apply this on your hair and leave it on your hair for as long as you want. It helps in keeping your hair healthy, and it also promotes hair growth. So this is how my hair looks like after applying the oil to my hair. I'm going to leave it on for like an hour or two before washing it out. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless you.